Hey, Brock. Brock. Hey, Hunter, should I do that? Last alive, last kill. Boom!
Yeah!
Bang, bang! No, no.
Dude, Josh is so hit. Okay then.
Where is he?
We've got one guy straight ahead. And then we got another guy right next to him in that bunker. See it?
What's up, John?
Don't shoot me.
Where are we going?
How are we doing on that side?
What?
How are we doing on that side?
Well, pretty good. They're running out of batteries in their guns.
Yeah, same here.
Because Josh knows I ran out of ammo.
Oh, I already shot Josh.
Okay,
I just shot him.
good job. Chad, get back there too. And I'm down to one clip already.
Wow. Timmy! Look for my cover. Tim! Hey, never mind.